Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Lexe Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can download product picture from Pinduoduo. So a brief overview about Pinduoduo because of the people that doesn't understand what Pinduoduo is all about. Pinduoduo is an application, is an app by Chinese, and is one of a recommend cheapest Chinese website whereby you can purchase whatsoever goods you intend to buy from China without any issue, without any hassle. It is the very cheapest website in China at the moment. So all you have to do is to download the app and install it on your phone. Okay, I have in my previous video I was able to explain how you can download and how you can install the app with your WeChat. So if you have not watched the video, please check the video on the playlist of my importation class. So when you install it successfully, then you can continue with some of the future video I'm going to release about the way you can use Pinduoduo app. So in today's class, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how you can successfully download product picture from Pinduoduo. And one of the reasons why we download product picture is because we can send the product picture to our prospective customers, or we can use the product picture to run Facebook advertisement or Instagram advertisement. Those are the major reason why we download product picture from either Pinduoduo or whatsoever Chinese website. But in this tutorial, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can actually download product picture using Pinduoduo app. So let's get started, guys. But before we get started in today's class, I would like to remind you guys, if you are very new to my channel, please click subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell icon. So whenever I upload video content about importation, you will be able to learn one or two things in the video. Okay, so let's get today's practical started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on the app and see how it looks like. So I'm going to make a screenshot. Okay, so here is the app. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right. So this is how the app opens. There are a lot of products here that you can purchase at a very cheaper rate. So you can see this bed here. If I click on it, let's say for instance I need to download one of the product picture here. So let me just screenshot. So after make a screenshot, I'm going to download this product picture here. Okay, so for us to download this particular product picture, all you have to do is to click on the product link. So we click on the product link, it's going to open up like this, just like what you see on the screen right here. So the thing you have to take is, so you can see another thing about this app is that you will be able to see live display of whatsoever product you want to buy. This is another thing about this site. So you can see from the screen here, this is the bet, and this is the price. The price of this bet go for 4.56 yuan right from China. Okay, so for us to download this product picture, you can see the product is displayed from that. So now for us to download this product picture, you have to click on the just click around the picture. Let me screenshot. So just click on around here, just click here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. So when you click on it, it's going to open up like this. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to click and hold down. When you click and hold down, and information is going to pump up, right? So from the very point here, you have to click on the first link here. Let me make a screenshot. So you need to click on here. Here, you need to click on this link here, okay? So I'm going to click on it right now. So once you click on it, the picture will be automatically saved into your phone, okay? So now let's go to my phone gallery and see the product picture. Boom. So you can see the product picture live from my phone phone folder. So now this is how you can download product picture from Pinduoduo, and also how you can see the products live video recording by the seller and see some other information about the product as far as Pinduoduo app is concerned. There are a lot of features about this site. I'm going to teach you guys how you can navigate from the site. So in my next in my futures video, if you find this video useful, please click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video about importation, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Yeah. See.